it's Victor here once again, and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen, where we cook Filipino favorites and more. I had this mackerel fish in my fridge for over a week now and couldn't really decide what to make of it, because normally what I would do is to just grill it in my oven, but then I was thinking there must be another way I could cook my mackerel fish and not just by simply grilling it in my oven. And I thought mackerel fish is rich in fish oil. The meat is buttery and the taste is really bold, and I thought this is going to be perfect for a fish curry. And so here we are with my fillet of mackerel fish, and I'm excited to share with you my mackerel fish curry. Let's get started. And before we proceed to the first step, let me show you my mackerel fish here. Well, these are my mackerel fillets, and I have 4 of them. I washed them thoroughly, tried to get rid of the excess blood, and as you can see, I retained the skin because for me the skin is rich in omega-3. At the same time, it's tasty. So we'll proceed to the first step. So what I'm going to do here is to season my fillet of mackerel with salt, both sides of them. And of course, freshly ground pepper. I love pepper. So my fish here is already seasoned and ready for frying. I will fry my mackerel fish to retain its firmness when I cook it with my curry sauce later on. And so over here in this pan, which is already nice and hot, I'm going to sprinkle olive oil in it. And now that my olive oil is sizzling, I'm going to line up my fish here. The skin side is now brown, so I'm going to flip them over. And by the way, let me mention here that I am using here a Norwegian mackerel. And these are the types that are kind of big and long. The ones that we used to use in my area in Davao, in the Philippines, is called carabalyas. So for those of you guys who are based in the Philippines, you can use what's abundant in the Philippines, which is the carabalyas kind of mackerel. And then we'll continue to fry the other side until it's cooked. So frying is done. What I'm going to do is to take off my pan here together with my mackerel fish. And I'm going to use this deeper pan to prepare my curry sauce. At this point, I'm going to pour in my 1 can here of coconut milk. And I will let this come to the boil and simmer. So while waiting for my coconut milk to simmer, I am going to grate my ginger, which is about a thumb in size, by the way. The curry powder that I'm going to be using for this dish, of course, has turmeric in it, which is in the same family with ginger, but then I want to emphasize in my curry sauce the ginger taste in it, and so I'm going to use this grated ginger. So my ginger here is ready, and let's proceed to the next step. And now that my coconut milk is simmering, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of curry powder in it. And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sauteed shrimp paste. So that's half a tablespoon. I'm going to add half a tablespoon more. For those of you guys who are wondering where I got my shrimp paste, you can find this in a lot of grocers or Filipino stores in your neighborhood. I need a little bit of sweetness in this sauce here, but I'm not going to use sugar. Instead, I'm going to be using mirin, which is a sweet Japanese vinegar. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. And then to this, I'm going to add my grated ginger. I'm going to give it a mix. And when you try to stir your curry sauce, try as much to break up the curry powder, as there are lumps that are forming sometimes. And once you're done mixing your sauce well, you have to taste your sauce. This sauce is perfect. I don't need to add anything. So I'm going to continue to stir this until this will reduce a bit. And once that's done, we'll proceed to the next step. Now this is the curry sauce consistency that I'm looking for. It's not so runny. It's not so thick as well. So basically this is done. But what I'm going to do here at this point, which is optional, is to sprinkle my crushed red pepper on it. I'm going to give it a final mix. And my curry sauce is now ready to pour into my mackerel fish. So here are my mackerel fish. As you can see, I let them lay down here with the flesh down because I want for my sauce to be absorbed by the flesh. And so I'm going to start pouring my curry sauce on my fish. I'm using a spatula here. I don't want any curry sauce left in my other pan. That's good. And what I'm going to do at this point is to let this come to the boil and simmer and allow for my mackerel fish to wallow or swim in this velvety, gorgeous curry sauce. And I'll be right back. The mackerel fish curry here is done and ready to serve. So I'm going to plate this up right now. So you have to be really careful in taking off your fish from the pan. You don't want to break it up. And then I'm going to scoop up my sauce and pour it on the side of my fish. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but it would be on top of this freshly steamed basmati rice. Need something to hold it off. And some curry sauce. Hi guys, I'm back here with my final product, my mackerel fish curry. And this is the most exciting part for me, the taste test, because I will be able to taste the fruit of my labor. Let's do that. And this is perfect with a freshly steamed white rice. This is heavenly taste. You know, this is not the first time that I cook fish curry. I've done this many times before using different types of fish. But this is the first time with a mackerel fish, and it's just perfectly good. I so love it, guys. I hope you give it a try, and once you do, please let me know what you think about your dish by writing down your comments at the comment section below. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now. I'm gonna eat this. This is my lunch.